Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk, VIP. Find me on Instagram under Telly's Talkin' Chalk. If you want to see most of my finished pieces, you can go to tellystalkinchalk.ca. There you will find the business links as well. If you want to become a designer, you can do that there. If you want to know more about being a designer, hashtag chalk in the comments. If you want to know about Club Couture, which is our subscription box, hashtag chalk in the comments, and I will be happy, chalk both times, wow. Club in the comments if you want to become a club member, and I will give you all of that information. That is a 3-month commitment though. It's $19.99 American or $26.99 Canadian. If you want to know more, let me know. I'll just give it that part right now. What I'm doing here right now is fuzzing. Because these are reusable 8 to 12 times, they are super sticky. And when I say super sticky, I mean super. I can hold it like that for pretty much ever. Now, we just get a little bit of fuzz on the back so that when we pull it up, it comes off the surface okay, leaving the design behind and not pulling up the surface, because depending on what kind of surface you are using, you could end up bringing it up with the transfer. And we just don't want that. Also, if it sticks too hard, it may stretch the transfer, which then will make your design not as clean finished. Now, I don't know how many times I've done this, but you want to do it a bunch of times, and it will not take away from your transfer usage, because when you wipe off the paste or the ink that we will be using, I will be using paste today, but when you pull that or run that underwater, it all washes off, and you'll wash off the fuzz as well. I'm going to grab my board here. This is our Aiden frame, I believe, if I'm correct. It's always hard to remember the actual names of the boards, and they all have different sizes as well, so depending on the size of the transfer you need, you can base that with the surface that you need. Oh geez. So we want to make sure that there's no bubbles and no fuzz. Even though we like the fuzz on the back, we don't want it in with the silk screen, because then it won't go onto the board. I'm just going to move that up just a tiny bit. Now, this is going to be, actually, what I need to do is I need to get this shared out. Hey, Sherry. To groups. When you jump on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from, and you can put this on your page or any groups that let lives happen. That sounded really weird, but it's true. Some places don't like lives, so gotta be careful. got it put out into a bunch of places, so hopefully more people will join us. Excuse me. All right, so I am going to be using our Couture Teal and our Bright White today, just a simple project. I'm going to make the middle teal and this teal, and then I'm going to do these 3 in white. I'm going to do this pretty quickly because our paste does dry pretty quick and we don't want it to dry in the transfer because then it won't stay on the surface. Just like, what's it doing? Hey everybody, I see more people jumping on. Like and follow my business page, check out my VIP group. Kelly's Talking Chalk, VIP. Very original, I know. So now we're gonna do the Bright White. And then we're gonna pull this up and show you how it goes. Just gonna mix this up a little bit. Sometimes the color does separate a little bit. No, I know when I didn't finish that one fully, but I wanted to take up all the excess off of my squeegee to pull the other stuff around because there was a lot of globbing. You want to make it thin because it makes it look more crisp than having all the like lines and globbing around. Now this last part, trying to not mix it in with the coral because, sorry, the teal. Coral is our pink. And then make sure we got all the excess off and put back into our jar. I'm gonna pull this up and see the big reveal. Give me some hearts and thumbs up when you see it, and let me know if you like it. Now you want to pull it as evenly as you can. Some parts are just a little stickier here right now for me. But that is why we fuzz, because it is still super sticky. And there we go. It was a super easy transfer to use. Sometimes we have multiple pieces in a transfer. Sometimes it's just a one and done. So, isn't that cute? Wouldn't that look so cute in somebody's home? Just on their wall as people are walking in. I think it's really pretty. So when you see this, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, so I will see you again at 7. And I will see you then. Bye, guys.